Are you looking for inspiration to make a change in your life? Look no further than Apple CEO Tim Cook. His words have the power to motivate and encourage us to strive for a better future. In this video, we will be showcasing 10 of his most inspiring quotes that will encourage you to make a difference in your own life. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a journey of self-discovery and life-changing inspiration. Quote 1. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. This quote highlights the importance of being a leader and innovating, rather than just following the trends of the market. Quote 2. I want to be remembered as someone who was not afraid to do what was right. Cook emphasizes the importance of standing up for what is right and not being afraid to make tough decisions, even if they are unpopular. Quote 3. Success is a byproduct of doing what you love. Cook emphasizes the importance of pursuing what you are passionate about in order to find true success and satisfaction in life. Quote 4. The future is something that you create. This quote encourages individuals to take control of their own future and shape it with their actions and decisions. Quote 5. Don't be afraid to think differently, because life is too short to be ordinary. Cook encourages individuals to break away from the status quo and embrace unconventional thinking in order to make the most of their time on Earth. Quote 6. I believe in the simple, not the complex. Cook emphasizes the importance of simplicity and straightforwardness, both in design and in life, to create effective and user-friendly experiences. Quote 7. Life is fragile. We're not guaranteed a tomorrow, so give it everything you've got. Cook emphasizes the importance of living life to the fullest and making the most of every day, as there are no guarantees in life. Quote 8. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. Cook stresses the importance of finding work that aligns with one's values and passions in order to lead a fulfilling life. Quote 9. I never want us to be pigeonholed into being only about technology, because technology is just a tool. Cook highlights the role of technology as a tool to solve problems and make the world a better place, rather than just an end in itself. Quote 10. We want to leave the world better than we found it. This quote highlights Cook's commitment to using his platform and influence to create positive change and make the world a better place for future generations. We hope these quotes have inspired you to take control of your life and make positive changes. Remember, success is not just a destination, it's a journey filled with challenges and opportunities. So embrace the journey, believe in yourself, and never stop striving for a better tomorrow. Thank you for watching.